Hi, I'm Rick Stein from Wasco. We have about 90 to 95% of the things that you see in a car dealership on a daily basis when you walk in.
Hi, my name is Doug Tribal. I've been with Wasco about 10 years now, and I wanted to answer the question, what is in it for me? How can my dealership benefit by using Wasco? The primary reason Wasco came about is in 1960, a number of dealerships got together and said, let's pool our buying power. And so that's how Wasco was formed, and as such, we're a co-op.
Hi, my name is Mike Allen. I'm the president of Wholesale Auto Supplies. I buy in bulk for you. I buy it at the right prices, and I price everything and make sure that you get the best deal that's out there, okay, on all commodities that Wholesale Auto Supply offers.
Hi, my name is Teddy Maldonado. I'm the general manager of Interstate Toyota in New York. We purchase everything and anything we can through Wasco for the simpleness, the just being honest, and of course the prices.
Hi, I'm Steve Weinberger. I am a CPA from Witham, Smith & Brown. It's almost a no-brainer why anybody in the dealership world wouldn't join into Wasco and join in this purchasing power.
Hi, I'm Doug Chadbourne. I'm with New Pig Corporation. We're out of Tipton, Pennsylvania. We are a manufacturer of absorbents, and Wasco has been a great partner of ours for over 7 or 8 years now. Please give us a holler and give Wasco a shot with our absorbents. Thanks so much.
I'm William Mayo from WB Mason. It's our privilege to be a long-term partner with Wasco, one of the highest value partnerships within our organization, and we look forward to continuing down this path in the future. Thanks again.
Good afternoon, I'm Michael Rossi with the Rossi Auto Group, and just wanted to say a little something about Wasco. We've been with them for a long time now. Their staff is wonderful. When there's products that we can't get or are in restriction, they do everything they can to get it to us. Wasco's always been there for us.
My name is John Bookstaver, and I am a sales rep for Hunter Engineering. I've been working with Wasco now for over 16 years. I put probably about 95% of my dealer business through Wasco. I'm just glad that they're on the Hunter team.